this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came out of a 5 a.m. ramen box. Go to instantramen.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Frank's got some awesome stuff over there. You really need to check it out. Anyway, this is Nissin Raoh, and this is a Tantan min, a mala tan min. So that means it's going to be spicy, Szechuan pepper kind of flavor going on. You know the drill. So, take this. Black one? Yeah. What's that? Package coming. Drop our noodles in. Throw in the powder sachet content. Oh. So, crazy days here over at the Ramen Raider World Headquarters, let me tell ya. It's been interesting. Good interesting. Very good interesting. So, I had something unexpected happen. Put a lid on it for 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you guys turn it down? Too loud. Anyways, so I think I've mentioned before that I've got student loans from when I went to school, and I got a letter from the Department of Education saying that they were informed by the Social Security people that my vision was crummy enough that I could have my loans discharged. Yeah, so magically I don't have student loans to pay anymore. Not only that, they're gonna refund me that money. It's like, really? That's snazzy. I'm like thrilled. I like looked at it, I read it like 20 or 30 times, and it was like, yeah, I mean, I feel like framing it. That's like a real load off. So that's cool. What else is going on? Oh, this week I ramped up my walking, and now this will be the 4th day. It's a tricky week too because the kids have conferences. So Mimi doesn't have school right now, but she still fits in that stroller. So we're gonna do a big loop, and I think Monday I did like 22,000 steps, which is just over 10 miles. Tuesday I did 26,000. Yesterday I did almost 30,000, which is closer to 15 miles. And today I'm gonna try to do the same. If I end up chatting with my brother, I'll probably hit 30,000 steps. But the problem is, it's like, oh man, it's been like my legs have been getting all cramped up. I've been getting up early and going out and walking at least 45 minutes to an hour. But it was like, it was cold. It's like my eyes are all gunky. But last night, it's like I got a leg cramp or 2 or 100, and then woke up and I thought, well, at least it's already like 4 o'clock, right? I can go out really early and get some walking in. It was only like 12:30. I passed out like around 10:45, so I'm like, no. You ever get that? You go to sleep and you wake up in the middle of the night and you think that you've been out for like hours? No. That was not the case. That was a bummer. So, but I've been really hard pressed to get all the ducks in a row to be able to do reviews this week. I've been planning on doing it, but now here we are, so I am doing it. I'm stoked. I really want to get reviews done. I want to push out more top 10 lists too, and I've got 2 that are pretty close to ready to go. The video's done. I just need to do a little bit of editing and housework on it. I think the next one is I've got the USA list and I've got the spicy list. And I should probably do the spicy list next. Oh, man. We just had a torrential downpour. What do they call it? A Category 5 atmospheric river. So everything got wet. We had a lot of wind, and it gets now. We had a morning that the day started out and it was 60 degrees, and we're in November. We had a 60-degree day, and we're in like just north of Seattle. We had it was 60 degrees in the morning. By the evening, it was like 40. And then, is it yesterday morning? I think it was yesterday morning. It was like 28 degrees. It's nuts. And just so much water. My nose is just like thrashed. I go outside, my eyes just start leaking. It's horrible. It's like the worst in the world. Just even in here, there's so much. I don't know. It's like humid and it dries everything out. Which I still don't think that makes sense, but it does. So, but yeah, here I am reviewing on a Thursday morning. So yeah, it's tricky because I'm trying to get all this walking in and get all this other stuff done. And it looks like what I'm gonna have to do is to be able to do the big walk still. As soon as Miles gets on the bus, I'm gonna make like a lunch and pack it in the bottom of the stroller and like go, here's something to eat that. Here's something to eat that. Alright. Man. Yeah, my eyes are just like all sorts of jacked up. More than normal. Okay, here's our ramen. This Raoh stuff is generally extremely good, and there's a lot of varieties of it. So yeah, so I did an interview a while back on a show that's on Spotify, I think. God, I wish I could remember the name. Shoot, I'm sorry. I wish I could. But it was a cool show. It was a lot of fun. And I did it alongside another guest that was on the show. Is this guy named Frank, and he started a subscription box deal. He's over in Japan, and he's got like, he goes and does all these different places that he gets ramen from, and he does videos and all this cool stuff. And I was like, yeah, let me, send me sample boxes. I'll plug you. So, yeah. Go to instantramen.jp and check out what he's got. But I think there's only been like maybe 1-2 varieties that I haven't been like super into. Most of the stuff he sent has gotten a 5-star, which is pretty darn good. So let's see what we got here. This looks nice. The broth already has a nice color to it. It's definitely a 10, man. Definitely the mala part I get. You can smell the sesame going on. It's kind of got a peanutty hit. Jeez. Cheers. Okay. There's your broth for you. Yeah, another winner. That's good. It's definitely got the mala, but it's not overwhelming. And it's got the Szechuan pepper, and it's got a nice the broth is nice and thick. A lot of bits and pieces floating around. Come on. There you go. Yeah, look at that. That's fancy. Put a slice of homemade, brand new homemade tonkatsu, or chashu. We made this chashu last weekend. This chashu was sliced on Monday morning, I think. This is the first you get to see of it. Ah, low on spoons. I grabbed a slotted spoon. That's no bueno. We'll use this one. Onion and we got the egg. My wife made some nice eggs last night. Oh no! Well, I know it's clean. Knife time. Let's do it this way. Oh yeah. Beauty, eh? No, I'm not from Canada. Maybe I was in a former life. I don't know. That's just too big. Come on.
No!
I need some seeds.
No!
I need some black ones too.
Yeah!
Yeah, that's good. Ugh. Come on, thing. Yeah, rotate, oh, rotate. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one is coming from Taiwan. This is actually, it came from a guy named James in Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is a shallot sauce dry noodle from a company called MIT. There's so many dry noodle companies in Taiwan, and this is just another one of them, and we'll see how this is. And yeah, see you tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.